What are some good qualifications that make a good bookkeeper?
Probably what qualifications make a good painter, a good business owner, you know? Knowledge of the trade is very important, you know, and knowing how to categorize transactions. Now, a bookkeeper may not know all tax advantages, but they are aware of many of them. Probably being trustworthy, having a good reputation is very important. Being true, probably something that's very important. And I think probably having empathy for potential customer, that's very important, is to know where they've walked. I've run upon times when the books are just a mess. When they start doing their bookkeeping, they don't intend for it to be a mess. They have good intention. You know, it's until there's a pain point that pushes past its comfort level, I guess. Nothing's going to push them to that. And so I constantly work on history. The business owner had good intentions, and it just didn't happen the way they wanted it to.
Because they're not bookkeepers.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
Watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy at Trusted House Painter and grow your painting business.